Is it the right time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into NIO. We previously released a report on our website on Thursday, December 7, 2023, but now we're back with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay up to date on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Supercharge your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 7, 2023, our system has identified NIO as a potential sell candidate, receiving a score of -2.02. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this specific period. We will continue to closely monitor this evaluation to observe how it unfolds in the upcoming days. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend, indicating a potential decrease in value in the near future. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected -24.94% change in the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -32.07% to -19.87%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected -13.13% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -27.75% to 70.24%. This means the stock price could range from $5.41 to $12.75 after 1 year. Our latest update for NIO brings us the headline, NIO stock downgraded to sell candidate. On the last trading day, the NIO stock price dropped by 3.35%, going from $7.75 to $7.49. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $7.43 and a high of $7.96, showing a 7.13% difference. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a small gain of 0.27%. It's worth noting that the volume of shares traded decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally considered a positive sign. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 56 million shares, with a total of 62 million shares bought and sold for approximately $463.67 million. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $16.18, while the lowest price was $7. Currently, the stock is trading at 53.71% below its 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $8.69. In addition, it is also 88.82% below its all-time high, which was recorded on January 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. Analyst ratings. On Monday, June 12, 2023, it was reported that UBS gave NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, June 12, 2023, Citigroup upgraded NIO to a buy grade, recommending a hold action. JP Morgan downgraded NIO to a neutral grade with a downgrade action on Tuesday, March 14, 2023. Telsey Advisory also downgraded NIO to a neutral grade with a downgrade action on Thursday, March 2, 2023. On Thursday, December 29, 2022, Citigroup assigned a hold grade to NIO with a hold action. Analysts have given NIO stock a general rating of buy. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for NIO. On Friday, December 1, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point for NIO. Since then, the stock has risen by 4.76%. This indicates a potential for further rise until a new top pivot is found. However, we have also observed some negative signals that may have an influence on the near short-term development. The NIO stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. This suggests a more negative forecast for the stock, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $7.55. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it will find some support from the short-term average at $7.37. Breaking up through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Additionally, we currently have a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence, MACD. This indicates a potential downturn in the stock. It is worth noting that the volume fell together with the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk, as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence has generated a sell signal. Pivots have indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands have shown a buy signal 33 days ago. The short-term moving average has triggered a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average has indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average has generated a buy signal 3 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average has shown a sell signal 58 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has indicated a buy signal 54 days ago. If you're interested in finding more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about NIO and explore its support, risk, and stop-loss levels. NIO currently finds support from accumulated volume at $7.47. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as it is expected to trigger an upwards reaction when tested. When it comes to the stock's movements during the day, NIO shows average volatility. With good trading volume, the risk involved is considered to be medium. In the past day, the stock had a price range of $0.530 or 7.13% between its highest and lowest points. Looking at the past week, NIO has shown a daily average volatility of 6.53%. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore potential good trading levels for NIO. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Established companies can face temporary downturns due to various external factors. However, if a company consistently has a negative PE ratio, it could suggest insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on February 28, 2024. Today, let's analyze some potential day trading levels for NIO. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO stands at $7.75. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, in case of a downward movement, NIO encounters its first support level at $7.47. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a great entry point, with a possible rebound in the near future. Unfortunately, we have come to a negative evaluation for this stock, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is NIO stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, NIO holds several negative signals, leading us to believe that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a buy to a sell candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have identified that the current price of NIO is undervalued. As for trading on Friday, December 8th, we expect NIO to open up $0.137 and commence trading at $7.63. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always wise to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. Please note that StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so be sure to comment below and share your opinions. What target price do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.